Good morning to all of you. My name is Oshijan. Today's my Viva topic is magical mill story. Magical full mill story. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, nestled between rolling hills and lush forest, there stood a majestic Fowler mill. This mill was unlikely and other for its sage to possess magical powers. This mill was owned by an elderly widow named Mrs. Eliza, who inherited it from her and Astria deposited in enhancing the Eliza humble and kind heart, using the males to provide flour for the villagers. Legend had its uh, Ligon had overground grains Mrs. Eliza will wound for their wish granted provide. They were poor of heart. Villager whispered tales of wishes comes true after grinding their wheat or corn in the magical mill. One day a young girl named Lily, burdened by the hardship her family faced, decided to taste the mill power. What a heart full of hope! He brought a sack of wheat to Mrs. Eliza doorstep. Mrs. Eliza welcomed Lily warmly and showed her to the mill with trembling hands. Lily poured the wheat into the grinding chamber and turned the crank. As the mill wheeled to life, a soft glow developed in the rooms, filling Lily's hearts with the wonder. When the milling was done, Mrs. Eliza handed Lily a small pouch filled with the flour. Remember, child, she said, a twinkle in her eye. The magic lied not in the flour itself, but in the purity of the intention. With a grateful smile, Lily returned home, her mind buzzing her possibilities. That night, her family sat down to dinner. Lily sprang to the magical floor over their meal and made a heartfelt wish for prosperity and happiness down them. With the once empty pantry now overflow with the abundance and laughter filled their homes where he had once been worry and struggles. Word of the lily wish spread through the village, and soon others pour out Mr. Elijah magical mill, each with their own hopes and dreams. From farmers seeking abundantly harvested to craftsmen hoping for inspirations, the mill become a hope for all who sought it. Said. Yet Mrs. Eliza remained humble, always reminding those who comes to her mile that the true magic lay with themselves. The four millers serves as a catalyst for the desires, amplifying the power of their intention. As time passed, the village flourished not just from the material blessing granted by the mill, but from the sense of humanity and kindness that flourished alongside its neighbors helps to another, sharing not just wealth but their hopes and dreams as well. As though as so the legend Miss Eliza magical flower will live on a reminder to who heard it at sometimes. The greatest magic of the lies within the purity of one hearts and the power of the dreams. As the year went by, the magical fall becomes a symbol of unity and goodwill in the village. People from the neighboring travel towards far and wide to see the blessing of Mr. Elijah Mill. The tales of this wonderful spread across the lands. However, with the great power come great responsibility, and Mrs. Eliza knew the true essence of the mill magic lay in the ability to inspire kindness and generosity. She used the resources generated by the mill to support the less fortunate in the village, ensuring that no one went hungry or in needed. Over time, Mrs. Eliza grew old, and she nearest the end of her day. The gathered the villagers around the mill for one last time. With tears in her eyes, she imparted her final wisdom, urging them to carry on the spirit of the compassion and goodwill that will made have instilled in their community. After Mrs. Eliza passing, the village honored her memory continuing to operate the mile and the same spirit of the generosity and kindness, and to the magical flour mill eventually created to exit. Its legacy endured in the heart of those who had been touched by its inheriting the powers. To this day, the villagers tell story of Mrs. Eliza and her magical flour mill, passing down the tales and from generation to generation reminders of the transformative powers of kindness and importance of using one's gifts for the betterments of the other. Thank you.